They gave a really good fight against Delhi FC. Please clap for them. Really good performance. I'll request the secretaries to kindly give the medal, and I request all the team players to kindly keep coming towards. I request all the dignitaries for the medal begin. I also request Deputy CAC sir, Deputy Commissioner sir, to kindly I request Deputy Commissioner sir to also felicitate the players. Now I would request CAC sir to kindly hand over the check of 2 lakhs rupees to the runners-up team as well as the trophy. I request team captain, team cadet, the manager kindly I'll also request CAC sir to hand over the runners-up trophy. Can we have a round of applause?
Huh?